In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Stripe, Square, or PayPal in your payment settings. Let's get started by opening your dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Payment Settings. This is where you manage how your customers can pay you. Clicking into Payment Settings will bring up the available payment providers your account supports, and you'll see the popular options Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Each of these providers securely processes payments, but they offer slightly different experiences. Stripe is great for card payments and online checkouts with lots of customization. Square is a solid choice if you also take in-person payments and want everything under one roof. PayPal gives customers a familiar wallet experience and can increase trust for those who prefer paying through their PayPal balance or linked accounts. You can choose any of them, and in many cases, you can enable more than one to give your customers options. To turn one on, simply click Connect next to the provider you want. When you click Connect, a secure window will open. This window asks you to sign in to your provider account and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts, confirm the permissions, and complete the authorization. When it's successful, you'll be brought back to your payment settings page, and you should see that provider marked as connected. A quick tip here. Make sure the business information on your payment provider matches what you have in your dashboard, including your legal name, business address, and the currency you plan to use. Consistency helps prevent delays in verification and payouts. Also, if you're operating in multiple countries or currencies, double check that your selected provider supports your region and currency before you finalize the connection. If the connect window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. If you get an error while signing in, make sure you're using the correct account and that you have permission to connect it. Sometimes logging out and back into your payment provider in a fresh browser tab can help. Once connected, review your payment settings to confirm everything looks right. Look for any status indicators that show the provider is live, and if your platform offers test mode, be sure it's set the way you expect. That's it. Go to the left side, open payment settings, choose Stripe, Square, or PayPal, and click Connect.